Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord stuck on a gray screen. Right-click Start button. Click Run. Type %app data %. Click OK. Delete Discord folder. Open Discord. Installing updates. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.